the topic differentiation. Last video we have to discuss the exercise 1.1. In that exercise 1.1, we have to discuss the question number 2. We have to solve all the examples. But there is another method to solve the example sin square x square minus cos square x square. That method we have to say that the method number 2. Let y is equal to sin square x square minus cos square x square. Suppose that we have to take the minus sign common. What we have to write? Y is equal to minus cos square x square minus sin square x square. We have to know the formula related to cos 2 theta. What is that formula? Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. We have to know the formula of cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Here what is the theta? Theta is the x square. What is the theta? Theta is the x square. So that by using that formula, what we have to write? If you have to replace this theta, if you have to replace theta by x square, what you have to get? Cos of 2x square is equal to cos square x square minus sin square x square. This we have to substitute the value of this cos square x square minus sin square x square as cos of 2x square. So that we can write y is equal to minus cos of 2x square by using this formula. Now we have to differentiate this with respect to x. dw with respect to x we get. By differentiating this with respect to x we get. Okay. What is the differentiation? dy by dx is equal to minus, original minus sign is there. Now we have to take the derivative of cos. What is the derivative of cos? Minus sin, whatever that angle as it is, 2 times x square into d dx of this 2x square into d dx of 2x square. Okay. That is nothing but dy by dx is equal to, this minus minus become plus, so that we can write sin of 2x square into, what is the derivative of this 2x square? Here 2 is a constant, we have to take the outside. Now we have to take the derivative of x square, that is d dx of x square. So that we can write dy by dx is equal to sin of 2x square into 2 as it is. What is the derivative of x square? Derivative of x square is nothing but 2x. 2 into 2 4. That is why dy by dx is equal to 2 into 2 4. X as it is. That is 4x into sin of 2x square, which is the required answer. Now we have to discuss the question number third. Question number third. What is the question number third? Differentiate the following with respect to x. What is the first example? X square plus 4x plus 1 bracket raised to 3 plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4. Okay, solution. Let y is equal to, whatever the given example, we have to assume its value is y, that is y is the function of x. Differentiate with respect to x means we have to find the value of dy by dx. Here we have to see that there are two terms. First term is x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket cube plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4. By using the rules of differentiation, we have to use the rule of derivative of sum. We have to take the derivative of first term plus derivative of the second term. So that differentiate with respect to x, we get differentiation of this y with respect to x is dy by dx. when you have to take the derivative of this first bracket, it look like that raised to 3. Is that power function? So that we have to take this power as it is, 3 as it is, and from this power we have to minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, 2. Whatever the base as it is, x square plus 4x plus 1. After that we have to take the derivative of x square plus 4x plus 1 into d dx of x square plus 4x plus 1 plus, now we have to take the derivative of this bracket, x cube minus 5x minus 2 raised to 4, means we have to keep the finger on the power, that is power is the 4, means into 4, 4 into, by using the derivative of the power function, power we have to take as it is, from this power we have to minus 1, that is x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4 minus 1, 3. Now we have to take the derivative of this base, that is x cube minus 5x minus 2, that is d dx of x cube minus 5x minus 2, x cube minus 5x minus 2. Now what we have to get? It is nothing but dy by dx is equal to 3 into x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket square into, what is the derivative of x square? 2x plus 4 is a constant, we have to take the outside. What is the derivative of x with respect to x? 1. 1 into 4, 4 as it. Plus, what is the derivative of 1? 0. 4 into 1 plus 0 plus 4 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket cube. This one is as it is into, what is the derivative of x cube? By using again power function formula, we have to take the power as it is into x raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2, that is 3 times x square minus 5 we have to constant, we have to take the outside, derivative of this x with respect to x is 1 minus 2 is a constant, its derivative is 0. After simplification, what we have to get? Dy by dx is equal to 3 into, here what we have to get? 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket square plus, here what we have to get? 3x square minus 5, that is 4 into 3x square minus 5 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 3. Okay, that is nothing but dy by dx is equal to, from this bracket we have to take the 2 common, that is 3 into 2 6, 6 into x plus 2 into x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket square plus this second term as it is 4 into 3x square minus 5 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket cube, which is the required answer. We have to discuss the next example. Next example, example number 2. What is that example? 1 plus 4x raised to 5 into 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8. It means that there is a product of two brackets, means we have to use the product rule. Okay, let y is equal to 1 plus 4x raised to 5 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8. By using the product rule, we have to differentiate with respect to x. By using product rule, differentiate with respect to x, we get. Okay, according to the product rule, this one is the first function, this one is the second function. Now we have to know that the differentiation of this y with respect to x is the dy by dx. By using the product rule, first function keep as it is, 1 plus 4x raised to 5 as it is. Derivative of the second function, that is the d dx of 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8 plus second function keep as it is, 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8. Now the derivative of the first function, that is d dx of, it is the first function, 1 plus 4x raised to 5. 1 plus 4x raised to 5. Check that. 1 plus 4x raised to 5. Okay. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 plus 4x raised to 5 into. Now again by using the derivative of the power function, here 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8. It means power is 8. We have to take this power as it is. From this power we have to minus 1. That is 3 plus x minus x square raised to 7. 8 minus 1, that is 7. Now we have to take the derivative of this 3 plus x minus x square into d dx of 3 plus x minus x square, bracket complete, this square bracket complete here, plus this plus sign as it is, 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8. Here again power is the 5, so that again by using the power function formula we have to take the power as it is. From this power we have to minus 1, that is 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4 into d dx of what? 1 plus 4x. 1 plus 4x. Okay. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 plus 4x raised to 5 into this one as it is, 8 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to 7 into derivative of 3 is a constant, is derivative 0 plus x, derivative of x with respect to x1. In the standard formulas we have to discuss all these formulas there, so that standard formulas are more important, and in the topic differentiation formula is more important than minus, what is the derivative of x square? 2x, this bracket is complete, plus 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8 into 5 into 1 plus 4x raised to 4. Now we have to take the derivative of 1 plus 4x. What is the derivative of 1? 0 plus 4 is a constant, we have to take the outside. Derivative of this x with respect to x1, that is 4 into 1. Okay. Now we have to simplify it. dy by dx is equal to, okay, here what is that? 1 minus 2x. We can write in the beginning. It is 8 into 1 minus 2x into this one, 3 plus x minus x square raised to 7. Now 1 plus 4x raised to 5 plus, here what we have to get? That is 4 into 5. 0 plus 4, that is 4. 4 into 5, 20. That is 20 into 1 plus 4x raised to 4 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8. That is dy by dx is equal to 8 into 1 minus 2x into 3 plus x minus x square raised to 7 into 1 plus 4x raised to 5 plus 20 into 1 plus 4x raised to 4 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8, which is the required answer. We can discuss the next example. Example number 3rd is x divided by root of 7 minus 3x. Let y is equal to x divided by square root of 7 minus 3x. Here quotient of two functions, so that by using the quotient rule we have to find out the derivative of this function. By differentiating with respect to x, by using quotient rule, we get differentiation of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Now we have to apply the quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? Denominator into, that is under square root of 7 minus 3x into derivative of numerator, that is d dx of x, minus numerator into, that is x into derivative of the denominator, that is root of 7 minus 3x. Okay, divided by denominator square, that is root of 7 minus 3x bracket square. Now what we have to get? dy by dx is equal to root of 7 minus 3x as it is. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 minus x into. Now we have to take the differentiation of root of 7 minus 3x. First we have to keep the finger on the root. First we have to keep the finger on root. What is the derivative of root? 1 upon 2 times root of 7 minus 3x. Differentiation with respect to x into d dx of 7 minus 3x. Okay, divided by this as it is. Square and square root get cancelled, that is 7 minus 3x. Now what we have to get? dy by dx is equal to, this one is as it is, root of 7 minus 3x minus, this one is nothing but x divided by 2 times square root of 7 minus 3x into 7 is a constant, so that its derivative is a 0, minus 3 is a constant, take the outside, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 into 3, that is 3. That is dy by dx. This here whole divided by this one is as it is, 7 minus 3x. Okay. Now we have to simplify this. Okay. 2 into square root of 7 minus 3x, here denominator, so that we have to multiply on this side, or we have to equalize the denominator. What we have to get? dy by dx is equal to 2 into under square root of 7 minus 3x into under square root of 7 minus 3x minus 0 minus 3 is nothing but minus 3. This minus minus become plus 3 into x, that is nothing but 3x, divided by, we have to equalize the denominator, so that new denominator is 2 into under square root of 7 minus 3x into 7 minus 3x. Okay, what we have to get? dy by dx is equal to 2 times root 7 minus 3x into root 7 minus 3x. It is nothing but a square of the root 7 minus 3x. Square and square root get cancelled, so that remaining 7 minus 3x plus 3x divided by 2 times 7 minus 3x raised to 1 half. Root is nothing but power is 1 half. Here power is 1, that is 1 plus 1 half, that is 3 by 2. That is 7 minus 3x raised to 3 by 2. Now we have to get dy by dx is equal to multiply by 2 inside the bracket, 2 into 7 14 minus 2 into 3x, that is minus 6x plus 3x divided by 2 times 7 minus 3x raised to 3 by 2. That is what? dy by dx is equal to 14 as it is minus 6x plus 3x, that is nothing but minus 3x divided by 2 into 7 minus 3x raised to 3 by 2, which is the required answer. Now we have to discuss the next example. Example number 4, x cube minus 5 raised to 5 minus x cube plus 3 raised to 3. You have to see that there is a question of two functions, so that let y is equal to x cube minus 5 raised to 5 divided by x cube plus 3 raised to 3. We have to differentiate by using the quotient rule. Okay, so that dw with respect to x by using quotient rule. By using quotient rule, we get. Okay. Now differentiation of this y with respect to x, we know that dy by dx is equal to. Now quotient rule is that numerator, that is x cube, denominator, that is x cube plus 3 raised to 3 into derivative of numerator, that is d dx of x cube minus 5 raised to 5 minus numerator into x cube minus 5 raised to 5 into derivative of the denominator, that is d dx of what, x cube plus 3 raised to 3, x cube plus 3 raised to 3 divided by denominator square, that is x cube plus 3 bracket cube its square, that is raised to 2. Now we have to take the derivative, that is dy by dx is equal to x cube plus 3 raised to 3 into, now here power is a 5, again by using the derivative of the power function, 5 is a, we have to take the power as it is, from the power we have to minus 1, that is 5 minus 1 4 into derivative of this x cube minus 5, that is d dx of x cube minus 5. Okay, here bracket complete, minus x cube minus 5 raised to 5 as it is, x cube minus 5 raised to 5 as it is. Now again by using the power function formula, we have to take the power as it is. From the power we have to minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2 into d dx of x cube plus 3. This bracket is open here, now close here, whole divided by using the laws of indices, it is nothing but 3 into 2 6, that is x cube plus 3 raised to 6. That is dy by dx is equal to, what we have to get, x cube plus 3 raised to 3 into 5 into x cube minus 5 raised to 4. Now derivative of this one, what is the derivative of x cube? Derivative of x cube is again by using the power function. Derivative of x cube is nothing but 3x square minus derivative of this 5, that is the 0, minus x cube minus 5 raised to 5 into 3 into x cube plus 3 bracket square into, again what is the derivative of x cube? Nothing but 3x square, 3 is a constant, this 3 is constant, is derivative 0, so that plus 0 whole divided by, what you have to get, x cube plus 6, x cube plus 3 raised to 6. Now we have to simplify this one. Now see here, dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 0 is nothing but the 3x square. This 3 into this 5, that is 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 into 3, that is 15 x square into x cube plus 3 raised to 3 into x cube minus 5 raised to 4, minus here again 3x square plus 0, that is 3x square into 3, that is 9x square, minus 9x square into x cube plus 3 bracket square into x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 whole divided by x cube plus 3 raised to 6. Now what you have to take the common? X square we have to take the common. Here 15 is there, here 9 is there. It means that 3 we have to take the common. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Also here x cube plus 3 raised to 3. Here x cube plus 3 raised to 2. Smaller power is the x cube plus 3 raised to 2. So that this one we have to take the common. Also x cube minus 5 raised to 4, and here raised to 5. Smaller one is this one. So that we have to take the common. Now what we have to take the common? Here 15, here 9. 15 and from the 9 we have to take the factor 3 is a common. Here x square is there, here x square is there, so that we have to take the x square common. X cube plus 3 raised to 3, x cube plus 3 raised to 2, so that the smaller power we have to take the common, that is the square. Here x cube minus 5 raised to 4, here raised to 5, Smaller power is the 4, so that we have to take the common. X cube minus 5 raised to 4 into, from this we have to remaining the 5, 3 5 are 15, x square we have to already take the common. From x cube plus 3 raised to 3 square we have to take the common, only remaining one factor, x cube plus 3. Fourth power term we have to take the common, here minus as it is. From this 9 we have to take the 3 common, so that 3 is remaining, x square as it is, x cube plus 3 bracket square we have to take the common, x cube minus 5 raised to 4 we have to take the common, so that what is the remaining, x cube minus 5, one factor is remaining, divided by x cube plus 3 raised to 6, that is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, that is dy by dx is equal to, here x cube plus 3 bracket square, here x cube plus 3 raised to 6, so that from this power 6 we have to cancel the square one, so that remaining x cube plus 3 raised to 4. Okay, now 3x square, 3 into x square into x cube minus 5 raised to 4 into, we have to multiply inside the bracket, that is 5 x cube plus 15 minus 3x cube, minus minus become plus, that is 15 plus 15. Now what we have to get, here dy by dx is equal to 3x square into x cube minus 5 raised to 4. Here 15x cube minus 3x square, that is 5 minus 3, that is 2, that is 2x cube into 2x cube. Here plus 15, here plus 15, that is plus 30, divided by x cube plus 3 raised to 4. That is what, dy by dx is equal to, from this we have to take the 2 common, so that 2 into 3, that is 6x square into x cube minus 5 raised to 4. From this we have to take the 2 common, what is the remaining, from this we have to take the 2 common, that is remaining x cube, plus from 30 we have to take the 2 factor common, so that remaining 50 whole divided by x cube plus 3 plus 4, which is the required answer. What is the answer? 6x square into x cube minus 5 raised to 4 into x cube plus 15 divided by x cube plus 3 raised to 4. Now we have to discuss the next example. Next example is example number 5. What is that example? 1 plus sin square x bracket square into 1 plus cos square x bracket cube. What is the question? Differentiate with respect to x. To get the derivative easily, we have to assume that, or let y is equal to 1 plus sin square x bracket square into 1 plus cos square x bracket cube. We have to assume that y is equal to. Okay, here we have to see that there is a product, so that again by using the product rule, we have to differentiate with respect to x. By using product rule, we have to differentiate with respect to x. By using product rule, we differentiate with respect to x, we get, okay, differentiation of this y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to, according to the product function, product rule, first function keep as it is derivative of second, plus second function as it is derivative of first. By using the product rule, what you have to get, first function as it is 1 plus sin square x bracket square as it is into d dx of second function, that is second function is what, 1 plus cos square x bracket cube, plus second function keep as it is, that is 1 plus cos square x bracket cube. We have to take the derivative of first function, that is d dx of 1 plus sin square x bracket square. d dx of sine square x bracket square. We have to take its derivative so that we can write like this. Okay. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 plus sine square x bracket square into, now here we have to use again power function formula. We have to take the power as it is, c into 1 plus cos square x. From the power we have to minus 1, that is c minus 1, nothing but the 2 into d dx of 1 plus cos square x, d dx of 1 plus cos square x. Okay, plus 1 plus cos square x bracket cube into, again by using the power function formula to keep as it is, take the power as it is, 2 into 1 plus sine square x. From that power we have to minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1. Now we have to take the derivative of this base, that is d dx of 1 plus sine square, that is d dx of 1 plus sine square x. Okay. Now dy by dx is equal to, now what is this, 1 plus sine square x bracket square into 3 times 1 plus cos square x bracket square. Now we have to take the derivative of 1 plus cos square x. What is the rate of 1? 0 plus cos square x. We treat as a power function like that. Cos x bracket square. Now first keep the finger on power, that is 2. Keep as it is or take as it is. And from that power we have to minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1. That is 2 times cos x. Now we have to take the derivative of this cos x, that is d dx of cos x, plus second one is that 1 plus cos square x bracket cube into 2 into 1 plus sine square x. One is a constant, so that its derivative is a 0. 0 plus, okay, sine square write like this, sine x bracket square. Again treat as a power function. How to write that? Keep the power as it is, 2 into minus 1 from this power, that is 2 times sin x. Now we have to take the derivative of this sin x, that is d dx of sin x. This bracket open here, close here. This bracket is open here. Now we have to close here. Now we have to simplify this out, equal to 1 plus sin square x bracket square into 3 times 1 plus cos square x bracket square. Now what is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x into 2 times cos x. Totally we can write minus 2 times sin x into cos x, plus this one is as it is, that is what, 1 plus cos square x bracket cube into, what is the derivative of sin x? Cos x into this one, so that we get 2 times 1 plus sin square x into 2 times sin x into cos x. Derivative of sin x is a cos x. Now simplify further. Now we have to know the value of this 2 times sin x into cos x, that is nothing but the sin 2x, so that we can write dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to, what you have to get, this minus we have to take the beginning, at the beginning, that is minus 3 into 1 plus sin square x bracket square into this one, 1 plus cos square x bracket square 2 times sin x into cos x, nothing but the sin 2x. Okay, plus 1 plus cos square x bracket cube into 2 times 1 plus sin square x. 2 times sin x into cos x, it is nothing but the sin 2x. Now what we have to take the common? We have to take the common this sin 2x. Sin 2x we have to take the common. Also what we have to take the common? 1 plus cos square x bracket square is here. 1 plus cos square x bracket cube is here. So that we have to take this one common. Here 1 plus sin square x bracket square is there. Here 1 plus sin square x is there. We have to take this one is common. Okay. What is remaining? Dy by dx is equal to sin 2x. We have to take the common this one. 1 plus cos square x bracket square. 1 plus cos square x bracket square. Also what we have to take the common? 1 plus sin square x we have to take the common. 1 plus sin square x we have to take the common. What is remaining here? Minus 3 is remaining. Now 1 plus sin square x bracket square. From this take only one factor is common, so that remaining only 1. 1 plus sin square x. Also here cube is there, only we have to take the square common, so that remaining only one factor. Also 2 is there, that is 2 into 1 plus cos square x. 2 into 1 plus cos square x is remaining here. Okay, this one is already we have to take the common, so that dy by dx is equal to sin of 2x into 1 plus cos square x bracket square into 1 plus sin square x into, if you have to multiply inside the bracket or before that, if you have to convert in any one of them, either we have to convert the sin square in terms of cos square, or if you have to convert cos square in terms of sin square. Now we have to convert this cos square in terms of sin square. What we have to get? Minus 3 into 1 plus sin square x plus 2 times 1 plus, what is the value of cos square in terms of sin square? Nothing but 1 minus sin square x is there. Now we have to simplify this. Dy by dx is equal to sin of 2x into 1 plus sin square x, let's power, so that we have to take the first, into 1 plus cos square x bracket square into, multiply inside the by minus 3, that is minus 3 times sin square x plus, here 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 into 2 4, minus 2 times sin square x. That is dy by dx is equal to sin of 2x into 1 plus sin square x, this one as it is, 1 plus cos square x bracket square into, see here, minus 3 plus 4, that is plus 1 we get, plus 1, minus 3 sin square minus 2 sin square, that is minus 5 times sin square x. Okay, this is the required answer. There is another answer. If you have to substitute the value of this sin square x in terms of cos square x, we get the answer in the cos square x. There is a change in this constant or here coefficient. Okay, this is the required answer. Now we have to discuss the next example. Example number 7. Root of cos x plus root of cos of root x. Let y is equal to root of cos x plus root of cos root x. Okay, we have to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of this y with respect to x is the dy by dx. have to take the derivative of root of cos x. Means first we have to take the derivative of root. We treat like that root x. What is the derivative of root x? 1 upon 2 times root x. Instead of x we can write cos x. From this root we have to now take the derivative of cos x into d dx of cos x plus, now we have to take the derivative of this root. What is the derivative of root? That is 2 times root x. Instead of x we can write cos of root x into, now we have to take the derivative of cos of root x, d dx of cos of root x. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 times root of cos x into, what is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x plus 1 upon 2 times root of cos of root x into, what is the derivative of cos? That is nothing but minus sin, whatever the angle is there, that is root x. Now we have to take the derivative of this root x, you can write like this, into d dx of root x. Okay, that is what dy by dx is equal to, we can write this minus sin x divided by 2 times root of cos x plus minus sin of root x, we can write this here minus sign plus, plus into minus become minus, that is sin of root x divided by 2 times root of cos of root x. Now what is the derivative of root x? Standard formula, into 1 upon 2 times root x. Okay, this 2 into 2 nothing but the 4, that is dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to minus sin x divided by 2 times root of cos x. Okay, minus sin of root x divided by this 2 into 2 nothing but the 4 root x into root of cos of root x. Sin of root x divided by 2 into 2 4, root x we can write in the beginning, root x into root of cos of root x. Okay, this is the required value of dy by dx. We can discuss the next example, example number 7. Example number 7 is log of sec 3x plus tan 3x. Let y is equal to log of sec 3x plus tan x. We have to differentiate with respect to x. We get differentiation of this y with respect to x is dy by dx. First we have to keep the finger on this log. What is the derivative of log x? 1 upon x. 1 upon x. Instead of x, sec 3x plus tan 3x into d dx of this bracket, that is d dx of sec 3x plus tan 3x. Okay, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon sec 3x plus tan 3x into, what is the derivative of sec 3x, or what is the derivative of sec x into tan x? Sec x, here x is nothing but 3x into tan x, x is nothing but here 3x into d dx of this 3x, d dx of this 3x plus, now derivative of this tan, what is the derivative of tan? Derivative of tan is nothing but the sec square x, that is sec square x, instead of x here 3x is there, into d dx of this 3x, d dx of 3x. This bracket is open here, now we have to close here. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon sec 3x plus tan 3x into, what is the derivative of 3x? Derivative of 3x is nothing but the 3. So that we can write 3 times sec 3x into tan 3x plus, what is the derivative of this 3x? Derivative of 3x is nothing but the 3, that is 3 times sec square 3x. This bracket is start here, we have to close here. Now what we have to take the common? We have to take the 3 common, also we have to take the sec 3x is common. Okay, what we have to get? Dy by dx is equal to 3, we have to take the common, also sec 3x is common, into, here what is the remaining? Tan 3x plus 3, we have to already take the common from that sec square 3x, 1 sec 3x is take common, so that remaining only 1 sec 3x divided by sec 3x plus tan 3x. Tan 3x plus sec 3x is nothing but sec 3x plus tan 3x, so that this bracket gets cancelled, so that what is the remaining? Dy by dx is equal to 3 times sec 3x. Okay, which is the required answer. Remaining example we have to discuss in the next video.